To finish the dining room zone, we need a cabinet there with drawers. It's a commode. Also, draw some lines to separate the wall into the three planes. Copy some pictures from this wall to this. Copy a heater and also to make some pictures and books on the commode. So firstly, let's make our heater a component. If you done it, it's perfect. So let's copy it. I'm using arrow keys. Then hide the roundings and create a simple rectangle, which we are going to adjust with move tool. Let's make it thinner. It's good now. You can unhide the roundings. Let's see it unhide. And now let's create a cabinet. I don't know, it's a commode maybe. So type in 1.7 meter and 420 millimeters and close the rectangle. Make a group of it and let's extrude it to the height of the chair. Place it into the good position and take 50 millimeters out of the bottom. We will make some legs later. Firstly, create a top and let's say it 36 and separate. Pull out a little bit, it's too much. Good now. And divide this line into three segments. Then create lines. Use offset tool to make some drawers, like in kitchen zone. Let's say it 1, again 1, and again. Now let's make a group and extrude it. Let's say it extrude by 18 millimeters. And well, adjust the top now and 5 more, maybe 10 more. 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's round the corners and edges. Well, 6 segments and 3.6 millimeters. Good. Also round the top 1 millimeter and 3 segments, 1.0 and 3 segments. Perfect. And only legs and handles left. You can copy the handles from the kitchen, and the legs is simple to create. Type in 80 again and close our rectangle. Make a group, extrude to the floor, then create some lines. I showed you this when we were creating a TV unit in living room zone. Type in 2 millimeters. Make a component and make some copies. This is almost done a commode. Only you left to copy some handles from the kitchen zone. Also, we need to copy pictures and books from the living zone. So let's do it. Well, firstly, some pictures. Grab the corner and make the same height. It's good. Also, we can copy, for example, these two books and pictures from the TV unit. Grab a bottom point and copy it. Rotation is needed, so let's type in 182. Not to be it perfect. You should avoid perfect things in the models. In reality, it's impossible. You can rotate this box, for example, and grab the bottom one and rotate it also. So this is it. We have modeled a dining room zone. It's on the left to texture it and render.